Hey guys, in this video, I'll be showing you how to create a talking avatar, easy on Canva, 100% free. It's a very simple process, but if you miss a step, you can mess up the whole thing. So watch this video till the end and follow along closely. So you want to go to your Canva account and select the video option. If you don't have a Canva account, you can sign up for a free account on canva.com. Then you want to scroll down to apps, make sure Discover is highlighted and search for Hey Gen. You click on the Hey Gen AI Avatars app and open. Then you want to scroll down to the bottom and click on Sign Up, Connect, and connect with email. You enter your email address and click on Send Code. Go to your email and retrieve the code. Check your spam if you don't see it in your inbox, and you copy the verification code and paste it into the box. Then click on Next Steps. You enter and verify your password and click Done. Then you go back to Canva and scroll to the bottom and click on Sign In and enter your email and password. Now you can see a variety of avatars. You have the human-looking ones, male and female. You also have the animation characters you can choose from as well, and you can also upload your own image. I'm going to use this character. So once you've selected an avatar you like, click on Use. You can then change the background color if you like. Next, we want to add a voiceover. You have two options you can choose from. You can enter text, and Hey Gen will generate a voiceover for you, or you can upload your own voiceover. You can use a tool like 11 Labs to create voiceovers, as they are much more human sounding. So I'm going to upload my audio. And then you want to click on Generate AI Video. Wait a little while and your video will be generated. Now you can edit this by removing the background and changing it to whatever you like. Once that is done, you want to click on Download. And this is the final result. Hey guys, in this video, I'll be showing you how to use Magic Edit in Canva. So you want to go to your Canva account and click on the image that you would like to make edits to. And that is how you create a talking avatar on Canva, easy, 100% free.